we see plastic almost every day. Be it mobile phone, be it car, I am carrying one such tool in my hand which requires certain precision mold. Let's find out the solution behind this challenge. Hello everyone, I am here at Kraftsman Tooling. They have been serving mainly automotive and various general industries, India and worldwide. With me is Mr. George, the Managing Director of the company.
We are Kraftsman Tooling, we are 20 years old and we are mainly into automotive molds and other general molds. I am proud to tell you that we have made molds for European customers, mainly European tool makers. We have made parts for Mercedes-Benz, for Porsche, for BMW, we have made the molds right over here. For Maserati, also we have done a mold design for our Italian customer, for Ferrari. So these are the achievements from this tool room in Pune which we have done. We use Cimatron for our CAM programming and the core and cavity is machined over here using the Cimatron CAM program. This is the Cimatron software and I would like to introduce you to Kuldeep, who's a CNC and CAM manager.
मोल्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए सिमेट्रॉन सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करता हूँ। तो जो प्रोग्रामिंग अदर सॉफ्टवेयर में जो प्रोग्रामिंग का जो स्पीड है, कैलकुलेशन का स्पीड, ये सॉफ्टवेयर में 50% से भी ज़्यादा है और अपना जो टाइम सेव होता है इसमें। और एक बात है, प्रोग्रामिंग अदर सॉफ्टवेयर में शार्प एज के लिए सरफेस एक्सटेंड करना पड़ता है, इसमें सरफेस एक्सटेंड करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। डायरेक्टली एक इंटरनल शार्प एज डैमेज का एक ऑप्शन है, इंटरनल शार्प एज सिलेक्ट का, वो हम सिलेक्ट करके शार्प एज को अच्छे तरह से कवर कर सकते हैं, उसको शार्प बना सकते हैं।
Now this is a graphite electrode machining center where we machine the graphite, where we manufacture graphite electrodes. So we manufacture the graphite electrodes using Cimatron CAM software and then we use it on our EDM machine. Come, I'll show you the EDM machine. So this is the EDM machine where we spark the cavity out, where we get the right finish and the dimensions based on the accuracy of the electrode which we machine over there. Okay, now I'll take you to the the electrode design department.
Okay.
So this is our electrode designer, Mr. Anandu, and we design electrodes using Cimatron. So this electrode was designed using Cimatron CAD software. So it's all integrated in one. One more advantage is all our operators and all our programmers, like the EDM operator, the CNC operator, the CAM programmer and the electrode designer, they do everything. Like the CNC operator also designs the electrode. The electrode designer also operates the EDM machine. The EDM operator also works on the CNC machine. It's all interconnected. It's possible by the ease of using the software.
So it's very great to know that how engineering can solve the every challenges, and it is also very important to have trusted partners. For Kraftsman Tooling, Cimatron is one. With me is Mr. Amol Mane, Sachin Bodhak and Gerald.
So the Kraftsman Tooling is the manufacturer of the automotive mold parts. They are using Cimatron for the electrode designing and the VMC programming, and we are happy that they are using our product for their mold manufacturing process.
I like to explore Cimatron for tool design also. As we discussed earlier, you have a dedicated this version for module for tool design. So we believe in the future we can explore Cimatron as a tool for our tool design activities.
We are happy to be the trusted partner with Kraftsman Tooling, and I hope this partnership will go on for many years, many more years of success. If you have any challenges related to mold and die design and manufacturing, we are here to support you. And if you wish to know more, please visit us at IMTEX 2025 exhibition, hall number 7, booth number A134. Looking forward to see you there.
Right. Note down your challenges and we'll come up with every solution to your challenge. See you at IMTEX 2025.